Time for another Crimson Desert tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to beat Priscus the Ancient. Now this guy is fairly tough, a pretty tough battle to beat him, but definitely doable. And what I'm going to do right now is right when the battle starts is I'm going to go right after him with his heavy attacks. Right after him with that, and then dodge away because he's going to try to attack. You can dodge with those little normal attacks that he does, and then he's going to get this lightning spirit, and you can dodge to that. And make sure you do twice because it's going to explode right after, and so you want to do a double dodge. And then you can get, and then he's also going to do a dive attack, and then once he lands it explodes, so you have to do a double dodge on that as well. And then if you can get some arrows in on him when he's far away, then great. He also does this like where he shoots these rocks at you. And it's pretty much, he does the same kind of stuff over and over again. He does the flight attack, he launches these little rocks at you, and then he does this little nosedive attack. And every one of those you should be able to dodge away if you're, I'm really terrible at dodging, so a lot of times I just take the hits and heal. And then you can get up close and get him. I like having the weapon art that shoots the crows at him, just because it's a little bit of damage every time I swing that heavy attack. And then here he comes. You can jump up there and attack him while he's floating. So I got him staggered, and you can just do your stagger attack and get a heap ton of damage on him doing that. And then if you need spirit, make sure to add some more spirit to you so you can keep attacking him. And then just watch out for those little down attacks he does, but he kind of does the same thing, probably the same four moves that he does, all of which you can dodge. Just remember there's that double explosion once he dives at you when he first hits, and then also there's like a repercussion hit after that, or a second hit. I don't know if that was helpful for you. Hopefully it was. Let me know in the comments if you're having trouble with him or not, and if this helped. I'm Matt Taylor. Until next time, take care and happy gaming, everyone.